So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy silver inside of your tax-free savings account or your TFSA on Wealthsimple. If you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'll just go ahead here and show you guys my referral link quick. If you guys use this referral link, the link is also down below in the description of this video. You guys can go ahead and sign up. You guys get a little bit of money, so will I, and you also get entered into a contest to potentially win a home. So that's pretty cool there. But go to the bottom left, press on the magnifying glass, and go to the top. And I want you guys to go ahead and type in ticker symbol SVR. At the top here, go ahead and press on that. Now, this is a silver ETF, which is great. Go to the bottom left, press on select an account. This is where I want you guys to select your TFSA or your tax-free savings account, and then go to the bottom right and press on buy. On this page right here, if you wanted to buy one share of this, that's how much money it'll cost. If you wanted to do a fractional buy, just press on the reverse. So $5, for example, is that many shares. And if you want to proceed with this as an example, press on review. Review the transaction. If all looks good, go to the bottom, press on buy or queue order to proceed with the transaction. So that's how you guys can buy silver inside of your tax-free savings account or your TFSA here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.